See the fourth one. This is one type of models. Types of models here. The integral is in the form of like this. Px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c dx, or integration px plus q by under root ax square plus bx plus c dx, or integration px plus q under root ax square plus bx plus c. Then how to take here? Px plus q, that means numerator is equal to a into dy dx of denominator plus b. In this calculation, find out a and b value. So those values substitute in numerator. Then simplify, you will get. These three type of models we have to follow like this. Okay, so other methods are also there. Whatever is easy, we will follow that, no problem. But this is original process. Now I am going to another method. Integration 1 divided by px plus q into under root ax square plus bx plus c. The integration is in the form of like this, means at the time px plus q is equal to take 1 by t. This is another form. Students, each and every student copy this. 6th point, C. Third point. If the given integral is of the form 1 by ax square plus b under root cx square plus d dx. So the integration is in the form of like this. At this time, take x is equal to 1 by t. X is equal to 1 by t. See here, inside the root, outside the root, both are quadratic only. Now next one. If the integration is in the form of px plus q by under root ax plus b, or under root ax plus b by px plus q, or integration px plus q into under root ax plus b dx, or integration 1 by px plus q under root ax plus b. So here take ax plus b is equal to t square. Inside the root, whatever is there, that value take t square and apply the differentiation integration formulas. Here both observe that px plus q and ax plus b, those are linear polynomial, not quadratic. Both are linear, means inside the root, whatever is there, that value take t square. Okay, students. Now another form. See, integration dx by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. Here cos square sin square, the degree is 2. And second form also, integration dx by a cos square x plus b sin x cos x plus c sin square x. Here also degree is 2. Then multiply both numerator and denominator with secant square x. So that is totally we are going to convert in terms of tan and secant x. Then take that tan x is equal to t. Okay, whenever is there second degree. And see the next form. If the integral is of the form dx by a plus b cos x, cos power is degree 1. Second one, integration dx by a plus b sin x, integration dx by a cos x plus b sin x plus c. Sin and cos terms, observe that their degree is 1 here. Previous formula degree is 2. Okay. Here cos x, angle x is there, means take that tan x by 2 is equal to t. Do the differentiation. 1 by 2 secant square x by 2 dx is equal to dt. Secant square x by 2 send right hand side, you will get overall dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. At the time sin x, cos x, tan x. Formulas we want to write. Sin x formula 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Cos x formula 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Tan x formula 2 tan x by 2 by 1 minus tan square x by 2. These are all submultiple angle formulas because angle x given. If angle 2x given means go to the multiple angle related formulas. Okay, so here I am taken submultiple angle related. Right, now last property, see here, if the integral is of the form integration a cos x plus b sin x divided by c cos x plus d sin x dx. These type of model how to do, that means numerator, this is a numerator, is equal to a into dy dx of denominator plus b into denominator. So you can write here formula, that is numerator is equal to a into d by dx of denominator plus b into denominator. You can remember like this. Okay, students. A into d by dx denominator plus b into denominator. So this is easy, I think. Here shortcut formulas are there, but first original method we have to remember it. Right. Please copy this. Integration a cos x plus b sin x divided by c cos x plus d sin x dx. This is a direct shortcut formula. AC plus BD by C square plus D square into X plus AD minus BC by C square plus D square into logarithm of denominator plus integrating constant, and integration A cos x plus B sin x plus L divided by C cos x plus D sin x plus K dx. Here also two terms, first two terms are same, previous formula whatever is there, plus this is extra because constant term is there, numerator and denominator, LK. L minus AK integration 1 by C cos x plus D sin x plus K, where A value how to find out, already given formula. And one more, this is I is equal to integration a e power x plus b e power minus x divided by c e power x plus d e power minus x dx. Then take numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b into d by dx of denominator. Or you can take like this, a into d by dx of denominator plus b into denominator, anyone. And if you want shortcut formula, this is I is equal to 1 by 2 into a by c plus b by d into x plus 1 by 2 into a by c minus b by d log of denominator. Log of denominator. Here see, some mistake is there. C e power minus x. No, that is a plus x. I think they are given mistake. C e power x, not minus x. See this, how to do that? Here different, here question and answer given. We want to identify just f of x value. So without formula I am solving here. Listen. Yeah. 1 second. Integration integration denominator. What is there? Under root x square minus 2x plus 10. What is derivative of this? Tell me. X square minus 2x plus 10 derivative. That is 2x minus 2 now. 2x minus 2 plus what we can write? 7. 5 plus 2, 7. Right. Now integration 2x minus 2 divided by under root x square minus 2x plus 10 dx, here also dx, plus 7 is there, take outside, integration 1 by inside the root x square minus 2x, one second, x square minus 2x, 10 I am writing plus 1 plus 9. These three terms how to write? Under root x minus 1 whole square. Okay. 9 we can write 3 square. Students, are you understood? Dx. Now first term, that is integration f dash of x by root f of x. What is the formula? 2 root f of x now. 2 root x square minus 2x plus 10